Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm just about to take you on a walk around tour of a new stock item that we've just taken in our used range in a Swift Elegance 645 2018. So here's a good look at that particular caravan. So the Elegance range being the top of the range that Swift has to offer. You've got a nice generous sized front locker box at the front here, space for two 6kg gas bottles and other amenities such as your electric hookup cable, step and other bits and bobs, but being conscious of nose weight not to overload that front locker. Benefiting also from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point. You have a side access hatch to underneath the front couch and also an exterior 240-volt socket. This caravan does not currently have a motor mover on it, if that is a need and a consideration for you. You've got the wonderful Swift logo in the Elegance range going all the way down the side of the caravan. You've got a swing bin on the door. You have a rear access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed. So for popping bits and bobs such as your chairs from the awning. So stepping inside the caravan, you've got ample storage underneath the kitchen area. A wonderful white pebble effect on that sideboard with sideboard extension. Further white lockers next to an easy usable height microwave. Positioned above the Dometic oven with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric and a combination oven and grill. Also benefiting from an omnivent in the kitchen area to take some of those cooking smells out or bring in a bit of an ambient temperature from outside. A wonderful panoramic sunroof at the front and a medium-sized hecky light, again creating a fantastic feeling of space and allowing a lot of light to come into the caravan. Down the side here we've got the two-toned gloss locker effect in those curved lockers. And then here's a good look at the 2018 Elegance fabric scheme. So a fantastically well-spec'd fabric scheme, very durable and high quality finish. You've got your PIR sensor down the bottom for the alarm where you see the green flashing light. And then on this front chest area you've got a television point, 240-volt sockets and USBs. You've also got the front chest area there with short pull-out table. The main command centre and control centre located above the door, and in 2018 still benefiting from the Swift command, being able to control your caravan at a distance via an app. The Audi Wet Central heating located there, just next to a really well finished and high quality cocktail cabinet. Second television point located by the habitation door here, just above further storage. One of the other fantastic benefits in this caravan is a nice tall larder fridge. So freezer at the top and fridge at the bottom with further storage above. So stepping into the central section, we've got a nice generous sized wardrobe next to the bed with storage underneath. Transverse island bed currently down in the day position with that knuckle dropping back to pop it into the night position. You've got a further television point located here, should you need that for viewing and watching in the bedroom area, with a vanity mirror, nice large sideboard and further storage underneath. That gloss finish going throughout the cabinetry into the bedroom with the matching headboard and further wardrobe to the other side of the bed with a high quality of finish on the bathroom door and those wonderful chrome trims. You've got the Audi Wet Central heated towel rail, a high quality finish on the sink position just below the illuminated washroom mirror and a nice generous sized individual shower cubicle with water saving shower head. Further storage located just above the toilet. So that gives you a real good feel for what this Elegance 645 2018 twin axle caravan has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour and I really hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.